All right. Good morning, everyone. We're going to be live trading NASDAQ today. Hope you guys had a great day yesterday. I'm working on editing that video for you guys. You guys are for sure going to see that on MN.Trades. But anyways, it was also my brother's birthday yesterday, bro. So that was pretty lit. Had some Mediterranean food. It's delicious. Hustled. And now we're putting in that work next morning. You feel me? I already got the black coffee I learned from last time. To get straight into it, on the hour chart, we are sitting at this order block. Did respect it. Getting some support down here. There might be a fair value gap in this guy. Start of the move to the bottom. Respecting that 50 point. As you can see after the shorts from yesterday, we wiped out. We're like in this trade. Wiped out, closed out down here type shit. Clearly went all the way to monthly support. And then we had that reversal. Buy side came in. Buyer stepped in the market. Could be a demand. Want to see what happens on this 15 though. Let me just mark all these things for you guys. Law zone, London session. I'm about to mark out pre-market opening. See what we're doing. Drop down to the 5-minute chart. Doing some simple top-down analysis right now. We can go from 545 to talking about the time range. Consider pre-markets opening. Break that down right now. That's essentially pushing here. Respect to this demand. Didn't want to break lower. Not want to break lower. Pretty smooth. Got a doji wick rejection. Go ahead and see where we are at currently. What we're looking to do. Our side trying to trend upwards. We're just oversold. Did not create lower lows. We did wipe London sessions lows though. Pre-market wants to break this structure here. Break this low. Could be golden. I mean, we already wiped London's lows, as I said. Marking out everything I see going on. Engulfing, wick rejection at this demand. If we can come down here, even maybe Monday's London session, be really bullish. I mean, even right now, how it's looking, it's pretty bullish. No lower lows were created. Or respecting down here. Respecting the champ. See what happens. Let me think. Let me read. 5 minutes getting overbought. Man, this is bullish, bro. I'm liking how this is looking for buys. It goes above the break. 25 minutes. Let me see, bro. If I can get a buy limit, get a buy limit in here. I'd be down to take it around here. 20 points. Well, yesterday we learned that we got smacked by 25 points. So let's try to get it at least bottom of there. The limit order. Market limit. We put stop loss. Alright. Under there. What is that? Yeesh. Let the manipulation play out. We gotta go claim buy side. So we did end up winning yesterday. Good amount back. Let's see how the trade starts going and then where we go from there. Did not take another trade after the trade. You guys seen live yesterday. I want to record everything. You know what I'm saying? Patience. Let's see it reject this little order block right here. I'll put a buy limit order. Let's see if market will get us in the game. For multiple reasons. 4 hour. What did I tell you guys yesterday? Check this out. 4 hour just proved to it. Well, look, even on the 1 hour. See these wikis? We got some wikis in here. So not only would London's high of yesterday be a golden zone off of this 0.886 rejection area on my fib level following new trend because we broke out of, we basically made higher highs, created a higher low, higher high, which is basically double bottom, a double top, a little bit in this order block. Sellers pushed in, which is what they're supposed to do. Came down, claimed low liquidity, sell side liquidity. After doing that, they could not respect it. They cannot hold it. Buyer stepped in, boom, and we are in the golden zone of 0.618. Everything's looking great. Just afraid this thing isn't gonna try to come get it. I'm afraid this thing isn't gonna try to come get me in, man. But this is a patience now, bro. It's just I don't want the market to leave me. I like market executing. I don't really like buy limit orders. But we expect something. I mean, let it do its thing, bro. Oh hell no. Oh hell no, bro. What type of BS is that? We just market execute on 3 or 6 in. What? Why do we get rejected? Because we have 8? Sometimes I like being patient, but 1 minute buyers are a little scared. It was pretty big. It was a pretty big push. Like 20 points up from where I wanted to enter. We're fighting to break that change of character. An earlier break of structure. 1 hour just claimed. Hours liquidity. A lot of things that can happen right now, man. I don't really like that many ticks, bro. It's not my cup of tea. The market keeps going higher, man. And I don't want to get left out of this move. There's always potential for a reversal. Always potential for a reversal. Just want to keep my eye on the price. 19.10. Make sure everything's aligning. I really do like that. What about market? What is that? So essentially up here, where I just did the market order. Had to give it some more breather room. And I already like a 40 pip stop loss, but as you guys seen, we are managing our risk. 6 cons in. If I wanted, I could bring it up, but it's about almost underneath pre-market opening. Immediately in profit. This guy was not gonna hold. We did broke out with volume. That's why we're taking buys. The upside, right? Telling you, man. What I would do though is put a limit order. Cause bro, As you guys seen yesterday, the market likes to do whatever it likes to do, so I'm gonna put 2 market orders. Let it do its thing, brother. As a matter of fact, we're gonna wait on the market orders. 6 cons is pretty good right now at the 40 pip stop I have it at. Remember, count's currently sitting at 98,000. What we don't want to see, let me clean up my charts for y'all, bro. I already know where we're headed. Look at these wicks. Don't even worry about it. Not worried, bro. It's all about probabilities. But we already wiped London's low. You guys seen what happens after London low gets wiped. Flew up. Just stay patient. I really could take it to one of these. Following true trend now. I'll leave it on 5 minutes for now. I shall be back. This will be great. It's possible too. It's 4-hour trend, so we'll see what's up. This trade could get us out of drawdown. Could lose. And we take another trade. 2 trades per day. Manage the risk. Risk to reward. Be right back. We are back and in the game. 8 minutes till New York opening. Let's go, boys. I'm excited, man. We're gonna do the thing and make it rain, man. Come on. Market's doing its thing, boys. Be patient. So, excuse moi. Yeah, looking great. Looking very bullish. We are looking minute demand zone being respected. Can extend it a little bit. Getting some wikis in here. Let me remove this guy already. Make my charts look more clean for y'all. But I already know a lot of you guys are gonna be saying that I have messy ass charts and whatnot. Bro, chill out, bro. It's not that it's messy, it's that I gotta read what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Let's check out this 30 min. Hope to see this candle close at least above 406. If not, it's gonna be looking like the double top. And it gets respected, bro. We're just gonna go boink all the way down to this demand. That shit would be embarrassing. But it'd be cool. We would have to close trade. Like, we'll have to let the market tell us what to do. Stay patient. Have conviction. Tell what's going on. Make the right moves. Yeah, we are respecting London's mid-range too. So, a lot of possibilities. Don't want to get biased in the position. Although we were buying London session, buying. Sellers stepping in. Claimed south side liquidity. Pretty far. Respected current bullish market, rejected, flew upward following the trend. So I'm bullish. Broke out this little bearish trend line. Have the break of structure. It's respecting 5-minute demand. So looking golden. We're just gonna see what this volume does to us right now on the opening. 40 pips is pretty good though. Not gonna be risking more. Patience, boys. Patience. 4 minutes till New York market opening. Expect a volume to start stepping in. We said we are managing risk. We are managing expectations. If I lose the trade, it's going to be somewhere around $400, $500, which is what I am okay with. I am okay with that loss before the reward. Predetermined. If not, you're going to have fear. Predetermine and accept the loss before it even happens. Think of whole 360. Worst case scenario first. Best case scenario last. Risk to reward, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the socials back up and running, bro. Let me show y'all what's cooking right now. I gotta go run this up for me, bro. Look, we got personal account, Anthony Nunez, N-U-N-E-Z. I don't know how well you can see that. My personal account. I see on my trading account. I'm telling you, bro, we're gonna be on it more consistently. It's just gotta cook up for y'all. Got a lot of stuff on the way, bro. Come on, I got y'all. If y'all got me, I got y'all. And if y'all are liking, make sure to follow, subscribe, like, comment. Y'all already know. We're going to get this up together, man. Market doing its thing. Currently down, what is that, 20 points? Got 2 minutes to market opening. That's looking like a rejection, though. Unless volume just wants to see what happens. Dissecting us right now. If I was taking entries here with that market limit order, I would have my stop losses below here. But since we did the market execution higher than what we could have got, stop loss was put here. Don't worry about it. Keep your eyes on the prize. You guys aren't even looking. My bad. We'll see what happens right here, boys. Hoping to see that wick reject. We're at 40 pips. 1 minute to market opening. Sellers are being ruthless right now. Say, give me your money. Give me your money. Respecting pre-market mid-range. Take you all the way down to this demand zone. That's what I'm saying. Holy shit. All right, sellers stepped in, boys. That's what happens. New York opening. Have conviction. Why'd that happen? Price I wasn't taken yet. They just claim me first, bro. Trust. That's how it is, bro. It's an opening. It's all good. How much did we lose? We lost, let's see, account summary, 405. 450. We lost 450. It's all good, though. What did I tell you? I was going to put my stop loss below here. I might have got wicked. Might have not. We don't know. But we are now in a more valuable demand area. You always have indecision in New York opening. I'm gonna add 2 more cons. Easy. We're gonna make all that money back and some. I'm gonna show y'all. You gotta learn from losses. Don't get scared. Don't be fearful. You manage risk for a reason. There's multi-millions, if not billions of money of dollars going into these markets at opening for this exact reason. They just want to trick retail buyers. What would have been smart is for me to not take my first trade because I am noticing I always lose my first trade. That would be smart, but this is what the setup's looking like right now. Underneath these lows, boink, 34 pips, and we can fly all the way up. We hit valuable demand zone, quick rejected, and we're trying to fly up. It's looking great so far. We got 8 cons just like yesterday. 8 cons, looking at around $500 risk. Hit a little cheeky 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1,500. We're already at a 1 and 1. Back in profits. This is trading, boys. Can't be afraid to risk. Just know what you're doing. Conviction, have conviction in what you are doing always. If I wanted, I could close the trade, but I'm not going to because that's nothing, bro. Perfect market structure was formed for us. Can literally use that. Bink, working off of these areas. Following 15 minutes. What did I tell you, bro? We just turned to liquidity and we're flying. We just got swept in liquidity on the other trade. Ooh, they just take up buy side. It's all good, bro. It's the money. It's the morning. They do its thing, bro. Let the volume catch up to it, bro. Y'all clearly see they're stepping in. Like sellers are like, oh, let me get these sell stop limit orders, shake everybody. Now we're trying to fly up. What we don't want to see is everyone start fucking claiming orders. But 3 minutes in, stay patient, stay diligent, stay vigilant. That's scary as fuck. But that happens. It's a war right now, bro. Literally a war. People are on there submitting humongous orders. My side was just taking, what was that, 50 point down, 80 points up. See how market plans to react to this zone, man. Sellers trying to step in. Might get a liquidity run again. No problem. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Wicking out. Let it do its thing. 15 minute, bro. What can we do? Y'all already seen what we were at here. That was like a what? That was a 1 and 2 basically for $1,000, and we're trying to go for like a 1 and 4. Just want to show y'all, bro. Conviction, holding your trades, bro. This is day trading. This is scalping trading, bro. Like, this isn't about money. That 3 minute bearish engulfing is fucking ridiculous. Hopefully we could break through. You don't want to get caught up on those lower time frames, bro. They're not as valuable as these 5 minute, 15 minute candles. A lot of manipulation going on right now. It's natural. It's the morning. Let it do its thing, man. 7 minutes till close. Anything can happen. Literally get swept. Don't matter. I literally told you guys we can short and come down here. That might happen. Claimed London's. Buyer stepping in. That was just a buy side liquidity grab, by the way. What you seen there. That's not what I want to see, though. I want to see buy side actually get taken on the actual higher time frame. Should be literally sitting above here. That was internal liquidity. Gonna be the highest time. True trend will make you back your money, bro. Don't be nervous. Don't be scared. If the market wants to do what it's supposed to, typically it will. Break through this break of structure, buddy. We can hold through this break of structure. It's looking golden for the rest of the day. We want to see how that 15 minute closes. Respected London's 3 minutes to close. I think that 5 minute did close above it. Well, we haven't seen it close. Nevertheless, we are in the golden zone. Still too early to be determined the way it's moving. At that doji pin bar close on the 30 minute. Yeah, that 1 hour just wanted to come down, grab liquidity, and then, how I said, hopefully shoot up. Potential both ways, man. It would be working hard to short, though. I'm gonna be 100% honest. Market would be working hard to short. But this is ultra golden zone. This demand. I did not check news today. See if there's any news coming out. I did not. But I will since I brought it up. Forex Factory. 40,000 people online. No. Today, March 1st, tomorrow. U.S. job openings, ISM manufacturing, PMI. That's at 7. Coming up. Boy, you better fly up, boy. I already know you want to. Yeah, boy. This guy is going to want to fly. Let me get an actual fib now. Pretty sure we're going to end up flying here, boys. Off of the 1 hour market structure for Fibonacci tool. Fibonacci retracement tool. Potential. Big potential areas right here. Big potential areas right here. Look. How many wicks we have? That would be an insane risk to reward. 7 risk to reward. Insane. It's just crazy because that's literally logical trading. But I mean, we'll see. Sleeping right here would be great. I don't really like holding my trades too long. That $1,000 earlier would have been great, but to be honest, we can get more out of this trade, man. It doesn't make sense to cut yourself short. If you're following two trend, if you know what's going on, and you have a system, just follow it, bro. You'll sit at a desk, bro, for 8 hours, but you won't have conviction in your trade for more than 10 minutes. Come on, bro. Trading's not for you. Lock in, buddy. Lock in, buddy. Almost out of my first coffee. Demolished. Bro, I usually drink like 3, sometimes maybe 4 of these coffees. This huge mug. I can put in my hand. Huge mug. It's like 24 ounce coffee, bro. I be zooted. What's going on here? Break through that shit, boy. Break through that shit, boy. Break through that. Boink. It's gonna break through. See, just like that, bro. Not negative no more, actually up 500. Take money to make money, Brody. Don't be scurry. Don't be scurry, bro. That was my bad. I keep forgetting to click scene. So just like that, we are in profit. It takes money to make money, homie. Scare money don't make no money, my boy. Get that volume, bro. Just smart money destroying all the retail traders that thought this fake out was gonna go short. Bro, if you look at the 1 hour, you clearly have engulfing bullish candles. This is a straight accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We're going up. I don't want to 3 right now. I don't want to 3 right now. Do I want to close it? Hell nah. This shit could give me all the way up here. Like literally, I'm already at a drawdown. I could literally close right here, boom. Counts to 100,000, but nah. Conviction. I'd probably close up here though, deadass. I'm at least gonna close 6 up here. You can start to scale out if you want, but know what I'm doing, bro. Know what I'm doing, bro. Big volume. Big volume. That's big money. People are literally scrambling. Oh shit. This is going up. It's going up. It's going up. Fuck. Buy, buy, buy. People don't want to miss out, so they're just gonna keep going up. Buy, buy, buy. Oh shit, I missed my perfect entry. Buy, buy, buy. It's gonna keep. Come on, retail, keep market executing, bro. We need some big ass moves. Let the market do its thing. Be patient. See, that would have been $1,000 there, another 15 there, 2,500 there. And nah, bro, we're gonna be patient. I don't want all that stress opening multiple positions right now. And let's do its thing. Claim its buy side liquidity. A silent, is it sell limit order? Or sell limit order? Trying to learn how to put TPs, bro, and P's in here, cause I don't know how. I'm not trying to sell 6 and then close it, bro. Like what? That stop. 3-minute doji, 1-minute OB. Buyers might be wanting to step in up here. Might come back here, then go back up. But it can also be from here. Our size overbought on the 1-minute chart. Getting overbought on the 3-minute. Let's see how this closes. Still have potential to go higher. At least a sweep of London range, bro. At least give me that. As soon as market tries to come up here, well, if it does come up here, I'm gonna hit this see what happens if it's a stop loss. I'm gonna take profit. So I'm not trying to cut it short. I just said wick rejection. Respecting mid-range now. Maybe forming settlement. It's looking great for buyers. I think we're respecting this as a demand zone at this point. Could be what's going on. Take a little entry down here if you wanted. On that touch. Put your stop loss, tight stop loss, 28 points. It's a little 28 points. Some people would take that. No 1 and 3. Just showing y'all how you can have positions if that was the case. We'll see though. Everything is possibilities, bro. 3-minute getting pushed up. 5-minute. Let's go, bro. You're getting bullied right now, buddy. If it was easy, everyone would do it. Just stay patient. It's a lot of money, but a lot more potential in this trade. So it shouldn't even be about the money, man. Maybe trying to take out buyers that just stepped in. How I just showed you. Market makers could be trying to snipe them. All buyers are stepping in up here. Stop losses below here. Bet. Take out stop losses. Retrace up at that 5.5 retracement level area. I said anything is possible. Just keep your eyes open. Big rejection. Big rejection. It's a nasty rejection. Kind of odd. So this 3-minute closes. Hopefully at least above. It's 4 or 5. Let's see. So if you did take that trade, you would have got stomped out on that add-on. But I mean, a better add-on would be lower. Around here. Stops below. Be right back, boys. Have conviction in your trade. Have conviction in your trade. I'm gonna go make another coffee. I'll be right back. That boy is shorting. Holy shit, that boy is shorting. What's going on? What's going on? Look at that, bro. These markets are deadly today. I have no idea. What's that news? It's the job news right now. What's going on? We're in news, boys. We're in the news trade. What? You guys see that? Yo, first time. We just saw a whole bearish candle turn bullish. That was odd. That was really strange. What's going on here? Take it up. I know you guys want to take it up, man. Take me out to the ball game. Decision. Buyer stepping in. Like, that's weird as hell. You guys see that? Weird as hell, boys. Never seen that. Because news is out. News is coming out as we speak. News is out. A lot of jobs available. Shit. I'm joking. I have no idea, bro. I don't know how to read none of that. Bro. For the most part. As I said, bro, I mean, market structure tells you what the market's going to do. So it goes back to having a system, having conviction in your trade, risk management, do what you got to do. Because these candles are ridiculous right now. Candle that we were just in literally was like a 100-point candle, bro. Almost 100 points. 94 points. 94 pips. Trying to measure this guy. 78 pip candle. New York opening was 93. It's respecting this demand zone. London's low. It is respecting, at least for now. If we don't come back down, if we don't come down to basically stomp me out, today's gonna range bullish, and we're gonna hold this trade for day trade, or at least, depending on how much the market wants to give me, 103,000. It's all depending on how this works out, though. It's theoretical. I mean, maybe just all that volume is what we wanted to see today, and I didn't close my trades. Could have made that 2,500 if I was scalping as I should have been, but I mean, we live, we learn, you know. Let's see what's going on. Don't trade. This is just how it's been. Rejection off that golden zone. OB still not stomped out at 35 pips, but it might stomp me, boys. It's possible. Anything is possible. Some very interesting markets with Donald Trump. Let it do its thing. You guys seen that, right? I was about to close a fucking trade, bro. He almost stomped out. All manipulation, bro. 7 o'clock is when you want to take a trade. Sometimes in the early markets, though, you have great volume like that, which does give you entries and positions. It's just, breaking out now, but it's literally so subtle that I think it just wants to sweep right here and fly up. Like, let's see what happens. I think it did boink. We did just climb the south side. 700. Fighting, man. 70. That's disgusting, man. Trade is not invalid yet, bro, because we're still in this demand. And with the 100K count, we do have more headroom, or 2K headroom per day. So now we're down like, look, let me show you guys why I haven't closed the trade. And now we're down basically 1,100. 400 from the first trade. This trade is currently negative 700. But we're in the demand zone and we just swept liquidity in a 5-minute candlestick. So now what we can see happen, the reason why I haven't closed the trade is because this is what I'm thinking. Right? Look, it's just frustrating because I could have traded properly, and it's not frustrating, it's just eye-opening. Anyways, this is what I'm saying. That big push down is going to have a big push up. What I don't want to do is hold below. But if it comes down, sweeps here, it's going to be some shit like that. I already know, bro. 1,000 bones. We had the opportunity 2 times. I don't know how I started shorting. I said what was going to happen. That's a crazy thing. Not over leveraged, so I still had that headroom. And drawdown. $2,000 max daily loss limit. Quick rejection, of course. It's all good. 15 minute was it bearish, man. Fuck. We could recover in this week, but 400, 1,200. We're trading under London low. Right? Yesterday's London high, essentially. If we respect it and we push up, man. Quick, boom, then short, boom, then buy, boom. And I do know, but I mean, we have to go claim that London high. If it doesn't happen today, it's gonna happen tomorrow. If it doesn't happen now, it's gonna happen later. Doubled initial risk on this trade was 500. Now we're at 1,000. Patience, my children. My children to beat these fucking candlesticks. That'd be 100 pips. Stop, bro. That's embarrassing. Move my stop. Thought it was gonna come up. Being hopeful, Matt. Max Stomper. Done. Already know we're gonna pass this account in one day. No, I'm joking, not in one day, but this trade has potential. Trade's got potential. Let it play, bros. Let it play out. We already came. So at London, yesterday London's high liquidity breaking through London's low with volume, as you guys can see. About to break past pre-market. Two opportunities here to $1,000, $1,500. Look at bro. It's his chance. It's my boy Chance. Say hi, look. You're right here, buddy. You're right here. Hi. I have no idea. Crazy hour drive, man. Crazy as 1 hour liquidity. We went all the way down here in 1 hour. Next 30 minutes we should be up. We should be looking to go up if we close strong. Look at that, bro. So fucking annoying. Literally stomped me out with the 100K account, but my trade was legit. It was crazy. 1 5-minute candle, 15-minute candle. Go higher, man. I know you want to go higher, bro. This guy wants to climb because we're going to climb. This is what we were expecting on the 100K. But as you guys seen what happened, and we re-entered with the 50K fresh account, and now we're closer to being XFA. It's not with the 100K, but we're dealing with what we got, having conviction in the trade because it wasn't proven to be broken otherwise. I called London's high getting respected. If it was going to go there, that was going to be a premium demand buy. As you see, we just flew more than 100 points up on NASDAQ from that area. Just patience at this point. 5-minute closed, very bullish, engulfing as well. Let do his thing, sweep up that London high for sure. See if he keeps the same. Get rid of all this. London's high, demand zone. I'm gonna go out. My dog wants to go stay on the trade. Let that boy run. No more coffee. Damn. Come on, man. Let's close me out already. I want buying right here. That's what we're looking at. Yeah, boy. Just let it stomp itself out. Just let this boy ride. 40 more points. $2. 400, 500. Just want to hold the trades the same way I hold them when I get stomped. Literally. Just want to hold it. Let the one contract get sold. Could even go for like this flush 600. We all know that's where it's going, bro. We all know that's where it's going, bro. We know micro isn't as accurate as NQ. Little cheeky 1 and 9, I suppose. Funny in it. What did I do, bro? What did I do? Could have taken profit here. Managing risk better. Like 20 points. Could have just smacked that. Boom. That was $1,000. Right here. Again. Boom. What could we have done? $1,500. That would have been $2,500 that I gave $2,500 because of being greedy and because of being greedy. Gave $2,500 because of greed. Was not disciplined to take profits. Look, just like that, boom, we're out. Trade smacked, bro. We were able to make $1,285 on this fresh 50K evaluation. But I ended up blowing this account for 2 reasons. Look, we're bought in 6, came down, market shot up, we were up 1,000. Greedy. Oh no, we got stomped for $400. Bought in 6, bought in 2. Total of 8, immediately flew $2,000 in profit, didn't take it. I didn't put my stop loss to break even. I didn't close out half of my position. Then I did the same thing again here. What we just did here though, I wanted to show y'all, bro, have conviction in your trade. The market is showing you. So basically, what were my mistakes today? With the 100K account, it became illogical. Should have taken the money when the market gave it to me. I did not manage my risk. Didn't have a stop loss or a take profit position in place. 2 big red flags. Not only that, I became hopeful after market clearly showed me that I wanted to reverse, but I couldn't catch it because I was being greedy. Clearly, didn't want to get higher highs, and that turned into sell. Let's get our position. We could secure more profits by standing when to scalp and hold day trades for longer duration. Typically, anything past, let's see, right here, 6:45. So this was good. 15 minutes in, but come 7 o'clock, we had a reversal. 7, I say 7:05. Because we had 2 opportunities, 1,000. Boom, we would have recovered. And we would have been 2 G's up. And then here, this was a very valuable 15-minute OB, 1 hour OB actually. 1 hour, demand zone, 1 hour. And then look what happened, bro, it just flew up, man. Well, you win some, you lose some. Ended up profitable for the day. On this other account, literally bought it. Took the same trade that I was looking at on the 100K account, but I got stomped. You can see exactly where I bought in. Why? Because of this 1 hour demand zone that I saw respected yesterday's London high. What we could have fixed. But for full transparency, I am going to upload everything, bro. I'm going to upload so you guys can see the process, how I learn, how I implement what I learned. But this is how you're supposed to trade. Scaling out, managing risk, leaving runners running. I'm closer to passing this account than I was to passing the 100K. That's a good thing. I could pass this account by the end of this week if I want. Literally tomorrow, I'll take a $200 trade, win it 3, 600, close it, another trade, another scalp, whatever. We already took profits at literally that price. This is alarm. But anyways, that was today's trading session, bro. A lot to be learned. I hope you guys appreciate this content, bro, because it takes a lot of integrity, it takes a lot of emotion, and I'm showing you guys the whole process of greed, the whole process of my analogies, my emotions. There's a lot to be learned if you understand what's going on. I consider myself a scalper, but I didn't take these scalp positions. 5-minute supply zone, rejected, making higher highs off that. Could have made a literal short with less than 30 points. Take that down all the way to the demand zone that I was telling you guys was going to be the area that we wanted to see this return and fly above London highs, going all the way to 600. That's exactly what happened. It's all the psychology behind trading. But as you've seen, could have been profitable, could have done this trade. I told you guys it was going to happen, and then conviction. I knew what was happening here. Very interesting, but nevertheless, it's about 2.5 hours trading today, almost 3 hours trading. We are done. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to drop a comment. If it was valuable, if you guys learned something, make sure to let me know what you learned. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I can make a whole video talking about whatever you guys have in mind. But we blew the 100K account today. But that just goes to show you don't have to be. What's most important, yes, you guys see me go in 8 contracts after losing 6 contracts for $400. I did go in heavier. It would have been profitable, but I made the mistake as a trader, not managing my risk, not managing my positions. When we started getting short here underneath my position, I could have started scaling out. I wanted to. I was thinking about it, wasn't talking about it. But that's what I should have done to secure more profit, or at least minimize my loss, so I could have held it through. But being that we lost at 400, we did not have enough headroom. Since we have a $2,000 max drawdown per day on the 100K account, we did not have enough headroom, enough margin to hold. Happens, market rejects us. Check it out though, let me show you so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Look, we literally got closed out on a wick, boink, over leverage. If I was a literal 7 cons, we would have been okay. If up here, we came here and I closed 4, came all the way down here, we would have been good. But I didn't manage my risk, and it resulted in me blowing the 100K account. Full transparency. I don't care. You guys could judge me as you want. My bad. I was trying to show you guys this. Look, so this is the 100K account I blew. Remember, $400 loss right here. We bought back in $1,000. Could have made it. Didn't close it. I was waiting to see what market did. Held all the way to here, 1,500. Again, didn't close it. Should have went on the 1 minute and seen what was going on. It's way too smooth right there. 5 minute. We could have shorted. I told you it was going to come to this point of interest area, this demand zone. From there, flew up, and we re-entered with that 50K account. We literally had to go on TopStep by the account. And then we flew up. Account sitting at $1,285.80. As I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe. If there's anything you guys could tell me to help me in my mindset when it comes to taking profits, let me know. I did not trade disciplined enough. There were some mistakes I made. If I was simply following my rules, I could have copped 2K no matter what if I was following my rules. But it is what it is. Live and learn. You got to be able to take the action as soon as the markets give it to you, because it happens quick, boys. If you found value in this video, make sure to stay tuned, because I'm going to be dropping more consistently. This is going to be on MN.Trades, and it's been a pleasure. Appreciate you guys for sticking by. Take care. God bless. Trade smart, trade safe, and be disciplined, bro. Talk to y'all soon.